Suns up, what's up everyone? My name is Wally and today I'm going to show you guys how to install your emblems on your 2015 Subaru WRX. So I got these emblems from jdmfv.com. I also got my Fender emblems from SubiSpeed, but you could also find these on Amazon. So first you need a heat gun or a hairdryer, a plastic panel remover, and 3M adhesive, and I'll show you guys why in a second. So I'm showing you guys my car. And the first step is to heat up that badge. The reason for that is because the glue in the back needs to get heated up in order for you to remove that, and it pops right off. Second, remove that tape, the 3M tape, the cover off it, so that way you could put it on. So this right here, you actually have to put some glue on the adhesive on there because it doesn't necessarily fit all the way, so you have to add a little extra more, which isn't bad. And then after you're done, when you press it firmly. Make sure it's on there and just let it sit for about 5 minutes. The back one was a little more trickier, but again, it's the same process. So I heated it up and I put the plastic panel remover and I was just pushing on it, heating it up and pushing, heating up and pushing. And after a while I was able to pull it out. Now you have to get a little bit of grit on there, but once it's off, it's a lot easier. Now what I do here is that I use the heat gun to remove more of the adhesive. That way it was a lot easier for me to take it off. So that stuff I was able just to roll it off, and if you guys notice, that side on the right side of where the emblem was at, I scratched the crap out of that. Oh jeez, that breaks my heart. But I was able to polish it off, and I'll probably show that in another video. Anyways, that's the badge on the back. Now, the Fender emblems were a lot easier. The same kind of thing, they have 3M tape on the back, and I used matte black instead. What you do first is you need to open the door, and then you could heat up the badge. So it's again the same process, it's very simple. Just heat it up and then keep pulling. Heat it up and keep pulling. There's excess adhesive on there, so I had to heat it up and slowly remove the glue. And it was a lot easier just heating it up. And once that's done, same thing, take off that cover, the 3M, and again, press it really firmly. Make sure it's on there tight. And that's it. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my videos. If you guys like it, please like it. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. I really appreciate that. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one.